this quick video, I'm going to show you how to upload a long video to Instagram. Now, by long video, I mean more than 15 minutes, but it is no longer than 60 minutes. As you can see over here on the video requirements, 15 minutes when uploading from a mobile device and 60 minutes when uploading from the web. Now, how to upload a video from the web. All you have to do is go to Instagram.com and then go to your profile. Go there, and then it's better to create an IGTV first. Share any type of video on IGTV if you don't see the option over here. So click that IGTV, and as you can see over here, there's an upload button, and of course over here you can just drag and drop video or select any video from your PC and create title, description, hashtags, and all that. So yeah, that's all to it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.